up and OC. Food up. Yeah, OC. Your guard runes. I need guard runes on the gate. Okay, I need guard runes on the gate. That's an engage. That's an engage. Get ready. Just engage on top of me. 3, 2, 1. Just engage on top of me. 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 Engage on top. Bro, why so slow, bro? Why so slow? You watch out. Reset. If you don't have defenses, don't bonk. If you have defenses, you can bonk. Keep bonking, bro. Keep bonking. Don't forget. You can still keep bonking. Keep bonking, keep guard runes here, keep bonking. Okay, they may have an engage. That's an engage, defensive. Tell me your timers, bro, tell me your timers.
Ready.
Okay, engages up, just hold. I'm gonna fake, this is fake. Okay, this is fake. Just stay here. Keep bonking. Roll. That's fake. Get ready, I'm just gonna engage on this one Hodge, okay? I'm gonna pull him. On the Hodge in 3, in 2, in 1. Just on top of me. Kill this. More damage, bro. More damage. Nice. Come back. See, bro, how you died, bro. Come on. Just spread away. Reset. Just stay over here. Just stay over here. Let them, they are inching up. We're gonna kill them one by one.
अलाल मैंने गलत किल लगाई है मैं 2 सेकंड ये कर रहा हूं पीछे जा रहा हूं
ठीक है
Wait, bong.
True, I can't. You'll have to tell her to whisper me. You watch out. Yo, that's an engage. The engage. Get ready. On top of me. 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. Just on top of me. Big clump. More damage, bro. More damage. Spread away. Bro, where the fuck is life cuts, bro? They are getting shields. Hello? Just spread away. Just spread away.
Heal.
Qs and Ws and spread. Listen, now what we're gonna do? Once they engage, we're gonna dive in, okay? And once they engage, I'm gonna counter right away. I don't care if our DPS is stuck or getting engaged on. You have to spread. Okay? That's an engage. Come down, you dive in, get ready. Looking southeast in 5, in 4, right on top of me.
Wow.
3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top of me. Just engage on the choke. Okay, come and spread away. Keep coming southeast. They're gonna walk in. Keep coming southeast. You're gonna funnel them in. Keep coming southeast. Keep coming southeast. Yo guys, are you able to find me? I'm on the ping. Keep coming southeast. Get ready. I'm gonna engage. Shallow very soon. Get ready. Looking west. In 3. Keep coming up in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. Big clump on top of me. More damage. Now keep coming back. Just engaging on tentacles. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Play around me. They're gonna look for an engage now. You guys, are you coming south, bro? Venom, are you guys so bad? Come up. Yo, move up. They engage, right? Move up. Get ready again. Shallow on this 1D tank on top of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on top of me. Engage is very late, bro. You need more damage. Spread away. Heal Sir Lancelot.
We don't have night helmet.
Yo, heal Sir Lancelot, bro. Are you guys using night helmets or no, bro? Hello?
We don't have night helmets.
We have. Looking. Night helmet, gloves should be on. One glove should be on. Just spread away. It's fine. Just spread away. Just spread. Okay, fine. Inch up west. Get ready. Yeah, I know. Get ready. Just look at me. Shallow on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Kill this. Bro, it's very slow, bro. Perma, you are very slow, bro. Come back southeast. Let them winch in. Then we're gonna dive. Come back southeast. You're
they already engaged on me bro, what the fuck.
Oh my god, bro. Why are you extending, bro? We are playing clap and kite. Hello, just stay over here. Ready, gear up and come. Just stay over and spread. Stay over and spread. I'm gonna fake, okay? Stay over and spread. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. Just stay. They're engaging. Get ready, looking on top of me, southwest. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top of me. Big clump. More damage. Why this? Yo guys, keep pushing. Keep coming up. Come up a bit. Down. Hold over here. Tell me your cooldowns. Hold over here. Tell me your cooldowns and hold over. You should have wiped this. Okay, fine. 10 seconds, okay. Yo, watch out. They're gonna look again. That's an engage. They engage. Walk up west. Keep walking up west. On top of me, big clump. In 5, keep coming up. Just shallow on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. Just on top of me. These many people. Kill this one at least. Yo, watch out. They're gonna engage now. They're gonna look for an engage now. Come up northeast and southeast now. Southeast and spread. Let the bomb squads get the kills at least. Just spread. It's fine. Just spread away. Come south. I'm gonna invite Serenity. Okay, Serenity is busy. Sorry. Just you spread away. If Serenity is free, tell her to de-aggro, bro. I'll invite her. Just stay away. Spread. You watch out, they're gonna look. Okay, again, I'm gonna shallow on this D tank. We're gonna perma engage on this D tank. You see, perma engage on the D tank in 3, in 2, in 1. Just perma engage on the D tank. Perma engage on the D tank. Now come back. Everybody come back. Nice Gia. Keep coming back. They're engaging. They engage. Help C Magnum. Heal. Yo, I need your cooldowns then. Okay, I need your cooldowns. Qs and Ws.
6 seconds.
Just stay over here. You just stay over here. Engage is up. Okay, keep coming up. Yo, 8 seconds I'm gonna engage, okay? Keep coming up. Just spread over. They engage, get ready. Everybody look west. Keep walking west because of
Go out,
people.
go out,
Don't
go
tell
out.
me you're not able to engage over here. Just stay over and spread. Stay over and spread, bro. I'm getting like 10 people in each clump and these guys are not dropping DPS. Just stay over. Get ready. I'm gonna do shallow. Engages up. Yo, get ready on this. Just one D tank on top of me. 3, in 2, in 1. Just on top of me. Kill this one D tank, please. One D tank at least, bro. Hello. Come back now. Come back and reset. Road dive. Come back and reset. Just reset. Road regear and come, bro. I need more DPS. Yo, you guys are good? Ugats? Just spread over it.
Ready.
They're coming. They're looking.
Okay, just get ready. They engage. Keep coming up northwest. Keep coming west. Get ready on top of me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just on top of me. Just drop on top of me. Just go back. Fine, go back. Keep coming back. We're gonna spread over here. To do something differently, okay? Just stay over here. Okay, you keep coming southeast. They're gonna look. Yo, watch out, they're defensive, they engage, defensive, and walk in. Keep walking in. On the gate, on top of me. 3, in 2, in 1, on top of me, if you can. Please, more damage, bro, please.
किए हो गए.
Yeah, I think I can't do big engage.
Can someone save me, please?
Yo, Ashish, you're going to the bomb squad. How will they save you?
Bro,
Come southeast. Okay, we're gonna play only shallow engages, okay? Only shallow engages. You have to kill the D tanks. They are stopping you guys, right? You have to tell me that. Just stay over here. Get ready. You see the D tank mark? I'm gonna shallow him. Just stay over here. Don't inch up. Just stay over here. You see me? You can stay behind me, bro. Just stay northeast. Northeast a bit. Yeah. Just hold over here. Let me fake. Okay, Just stay over here. This is fake. Don't engage. This is fake.
Then get on me.
It's fine. Keep coming up. Get ready. You shallow on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. More damage. Now come back. Bro, are you guys using Graveguard boots? Hello? DPX? Graveguard
Night
boots?
helmet.
Come back.
Early 3 on 3. Night helmet on 3.
Okay, night helmet on 3 to multi, okay? Just hold.
Because
Stay,
I don't know why we are getting interrupted if we are using night helmet.
Okay, just stay east.
Whoever is using
Yeah,
night
we have
helmet,
southeast,
They might be waiting from the
Everybody
top.
stay here.
Over the wall. Look out for
They're gonna
over
engage
the
over
wall.
the wall. Don't inch up south, okay? Don't inch up southwest. Ugats, we are all southeast, bro. You want me to change direction or what? Yeah. We are playing 2 flanks, bro. I don't know how we are not.
They have good.
Yeah, I know. You want me to change direction or what?
Try to play from go northwest and right.
Hold. Gonna shallow on the tanks, okay? Shallow on the tanks very soon. Keep coming southeast. Bro, listen, they are trying to counter, okay? Once we engage, they're gonna look for you.
Back away.
Engage.
Okay, get ready. Keep coming up west. Get ready. Big clump west on top of me. 3, 2, 1 on top of me. More damage. Kill this time, please. Kill this time. Come back. They're gonna engage now.
They just engage.
Okay, keep coming.
They have engaged in 10
Qs and Ws. Bro, I can be faster. If you guys can pull it out, I can get at least 10 men. Just spray here. Stay here. Get ready. Again on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. More damage, bro. Big club, please. More damage. Now come back. They're gonna counter. Come back. Qs and Ws. Get the Z-tank.
Then get on me.
On this Z-tank. Kill this. More damage, bro. Oh my god. Come back now. Come back. It's fine. Come back. Seriously, bro. Oh my
Need
god.
heal. Bro, where the fuck are they?
Keep coming south. You need to save your D tanks. Listen, they are engaging on D tanks. Healers, you see northeast, you see southwest. There's few places where they'll never engage. Stay there. You can stay there and just play smart. Engage. Keep coming up west. Get ready on top of me after the G. In 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Bro, where, bro? Seriously. You guys are getting G8, bro. Tell me you don't have Graveguard boots or what?
There is a demonic. We need night helmets.
There's the hammer tag
Okay.
inside you. Just Q and W him and just engage on him. Man.
Okay, fine. Just stay. Just stay here. Just stay here. Just stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Your engage is up. Engage is up.
Yeah.
They're coming.
Engage is up. You watch out. Defensive. 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 You lost. Just stay here. Just stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Shallow on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just shallow on top of me. Just shallow on top of me. Just shallow on top of me. You come back. Come back southeast. Come out south. Okay, okay. Come southeast. Come full southeast. Come full southeast. We're gonna pull them out. We're gonna pull them out. Okay, watch out. You watch out. Nice, nice face get. You watch out. They engage. They engage.
That's not
Just get ready. Shallow on top of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On shallow. On top of me. 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 These 2 tanks. At least kill these 2 tanks. Your Qs and Ws on that 1 tank. Now come back southwest again. Come back southwest again. Guys, you're too much extended. Venom, you're too much extended. Come southeast. Come southeast. Come southeast. 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 Just stay southeast. Just stay southeast. Just stay southeast. Just stay
I'm getting
southeast. Just stay
rapid,
southeast. Just stay southeast. Stay southeast. Okay, just play. Just stay southeast, bro. It's fine. Chill, chill. Stay southeast. Stay southeast. Yeah, I'm gonna again shallow on the same guy, bro. We need to kill this D tank. Okay. Watch out. They're gonna look. They're gonna look. That's an engage. Get ready. Gonna look. Yo, northwest. Get ready on the gate. In 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. On top of me. On top of me. On top of me. More damage. More damage. Kill this 2. Kill this 2. Almost dead. Almost dead. Now come back. Come back again. Come back again. Come back again. Come back again. Come back again, come back again, come back again, come back again. We need to try something different, bro. They are expecting this now. I don't know why I'm not killing.
Ready.
Just keep coming southeast. Keep coming southeast. Pull back southeast. Pull back southeast. Pull back southeast. Pull back southeast.
Spike is back. Spike is
Yeah, it's fine. Keep pulling southeast, bro. Southeast. Hello. Venom, Subham, keep coming southeast. Full southeast. Full southeast. Full southeast. Full southeast. You see me? Okay, yeah. Just come southeast. Keep coming southeast. It's fine. Keep coming southeast. You see me south? Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Yo, try to fake and mount. Just we're gonna mount and we're gonna cancel. Okay, get ready. Mount in 3, 2, 1. Just mount and cancel. 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 Cancel, bro. Cancel. Cancel, bro. Cancel. Cancel. Yo, get ready on the D tank in 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Just on top of me. Kill this, please. Kill this, bro. Why are you pulling? Who pulled him? Seriously.
Somebody bobbed him.
Just Qs and Ws, Qs and Ws. He's inside you. He's inside you. Qs and Ws.
They
Don't let
engaged
him
on
run.
me. They engaged
Just-
on me.
Yeah, fine. Bro, catch him, catch him, catch him. Can you stop him now? Stay over here. Stay over here. You don't have engage. Stay over here. Southeast again. Come back southeast. Come back southeast. Come back southeast.
This is ready.
It's
Yeah,
fine, it's
okay.
fine. Come back southeast. Right. I still need somebody to engage on, right? Come southeast. So the thing is, listen, if they are playing castle, they are getting 1 flank. If they are coming out, they're getting 2 flank from the bomb squad. So we need to pull them out. You understand, right?
Yeah.
Just stay here. Get ready. You're gonna fake mount southeast in 3, in 2, 1. Fake mount, fake mount, fake. Fake it.
They
Now
know
cancel. Get ready. Shallow on top of me in 5, in 4, in 3.
Bro, you are mounted.
Yeah, just come south. Just come south. Just come south. It's fine. Just come south. 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 Get ready. They're gonna look. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Shallow on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And shallow on top of me on this 1 D tank. On this 1 D tank. Now come back. Come back. It's fine. Just come back. Just come back. Just come back and reset over here. Just reset over here. Reset over here. You come back and
Take a
reset.
breath.
Come back and reset. Come back and
Take a
reset.
breath. Halal, take a breath.
Yeah, it's all good. Just reset. Yo, watch out. They're gonna look now. They're gonna look. That's an engage. You're gonna
No,
yo,
that one.
just hold.
Now
Gonna
they
shallow on
can
top of me in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top of me. Engage on top of me. That's a big clump, bro. Come on, more damage, bro. Seriously, hello. Now come back. Spread again. Come back and spread. Help Sir Lancelot. Yeah, good job. Just stay over here.
Halal, mount up, go from northwest. Go from
Yo, watch out. They're gonna look. Come southeast. Full southeast. Keep coming southeast.
Northwest.
Yeah.
Dal.
Keep coming southeast.
Go from northwest, we will have good angle. This is shit angle, by the
They're
way.
gonna go inside the castle, bro. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Yo, they're looking. Keep coming south. Keep coming south, bro. Keep coming south. You guys are not coming south. Keep coming south. Keep coming south.
Come southwest.
Southwest, southeast. You see this choke? Where I am. See this choke. We're gonna pull them to the bridge. Your bomb squad is good. We're gonna pull them to the bridge. Keep coming southeast. Keep passing southeast. Keep passing southeast.
We need to play from south.
Ugats, you guys are good or you guys are going?
They're looking. They're gonna look.
Okay, keep coming southeast. Get ready. I'm gonna shallow on the choke. Let them pass through the choke. Come southeast. Southeast. Yo, keep coming southeast. Get ready. Shallow on top of me. Yo, bro, why bedrock? Come southeast. Just stay.
Bedrock. When engaged.
Okay, get ready. You're gonna absorb 1 engage. Okay, let them engage. Okay, yo, listen, we're gonna absorb one engage and we're gonna push inside. Get ready, yo, walk in, everybody walk in, get ready. Keep walking in, pass the choke, 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 pass the choke. And get ready on top of me, shallow in 5, in 4, in 3,
Wait,
in
wait.
2, in 1. Just engage on top me, engage on top me, engage on top me, bro. Almost. More damage now. Come back. It's fine.
Lal, there is.
Come back and reset. No, bro, it's fine. Just reset. Use and W's and come back. Defensives and come back. Yeah, just find me. Get ready. I'm looking shallow west on top of me. In 3. No, just hold. Just hold the guy. Just hold the guy.
Offenses used, brother. Now we are holding.
Bro. Can't do, bro. If I don't have a clump, why should I call for him? Just reset. It's fine. There's a reset. Yo, watch out. They're gonna look. Just
That's
watch out. Now walk in. Everybody walk in. Try to walk in. Everybody try to walk in. Keep moving in. Try to walk in. Keep moving in. Guard rules on the choke. Get ready. 5 seconds. I'm gonna engage on top of me. In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. With whatever you have, just engage on top of me. Big clump, bro. More damage, please. More damage. No, watch out. They're gonna look. Defensives get ready over here. Defensives get ready. That's an engage. Defensive. Everybody comes south. Everybody comes southeast. That's why I don't walk in, bro. Keep coming southeast. If we don't get an engage, we're not gonna get the value of going inside. Keep coming southeast. You're gonna kite together. It's all good. Keep coming southeast. Gonna kite together. Keep coming southeast. D-tanks try to stop them. Keep coming southeast. I'm gonna keep coming southeast. Keep coming southeast. I'm gonna shallow. Keep coming southeast. Keep coming south. Just stay south. Gonna do shallows. Keep coming south. Yo, tanks, you have to kite with me. Okay, get ready. Look up northwest. On top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Just engage on top of me. More damage, please. Come back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back south. It's fine. Keep coming back south. Find me, bro. You guys are not looking at me. I'm way south. Keep coming south. Southeast. Yo, southeast, bro. Oh my god, bro. Yo, help your front line. Keep coming south now. Keep coming out. Shallow on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. Just on top of me. Shallow. More engage. More damage. Kill this one, bro. Almost. Now come back southeast. They're gonna engage. Pass through the choke. D-tanks try to hold them on the choke. Pass through the choke. Tell your engage cooldown. I'm gonna engage in 10 seconds. Use the W's. Come south. Defensives. Heal people. Help people. Keep coming south. This time. Keep coming south. Keep coming south, bro. I tried going inside and I lost 3 or 4 of my DPS, bro. I can't go in. Come south. Keep coming south. South. It's fine. South. Now turn up northeast. Everybody move up northeast. Get ready. Keep moving up. Full push up. Get ready on top of me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. More damage, bro. Wipe this. Nice. Good job. Push them. And watch out. Your defenses get ready as well. They're gonna turn up now. Okay, hold the choke over here. Just stay over there. Defensive up north. Keep walking.
I stop them. Keep walking.
Full push in. It's fine. Full push in. Guard rules and keep pushing in. Got G8. Keep coming up. We probably have to absorb one more. Keep coming up.
They have engaged.
Okay, keep coming up. It's fine. We have to absorb once. Get ready. Yo, keep coming up. Get ready on top of me very soon. Keep coming up north. Get ready. Keep coming up north. Defensive. And engage on top of me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top of me. Engage on top of me with one.
No, there is no one.
Yeah, there's no one. Just spread away. Come up. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yeah. Just stay over here. We're gonna hold this choke. Just stay over here.
Wait. Don't push ahead.
Don't push ahead. Just hold this choke. They're gonna look now. Try to stop them over here. Get ready. That's an engage. Absorb this. Now walk in. Full push in. Keep pushing in.
Engage now.
Get ready, bro. Get ready. On top of me. 3, in 2, in 1. Right on top of me. More damage, bro. More damage. Keep.
Heal all might.
Don't pass now.
Why can't you use use a guard rune.
They are coming.
Just stay over here. Just stay over here.
Okay,
Engage
that's
again. Now walk
They're
in,
coming,
walk in,
they're
walk in.
coming,
Everybody
yeah.
walk in. Everybody walk in, bro. GA them, bro, not us. Keep coming up. Keep coming up. Keep coming up. Keep coming up. Get ready. I'm gonna look on the bridge. On top of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right on top of me. Right on top of me. Right on top of me. Full party, bro. More damage. More damage. More damage.
They are-
Now,
be
now
careful,
watch out.
they are
They're gonna
coming.
engage. Now they're gonna engage.
Yeah.
They're gonna engage very soon. Stay back. 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 The defensive
engage,
on me.
that's an
Defensive.
They're coming, they're coming,
Yeah,
they're coming. Yeah.
Stay over here. Stay over here. Come south, come south, come south. Get ready. Shallow on top of me. In 5, 4,
Ruko,
3, 2, 1. On whatever you have. Just come back, come back, come back. It's fine.
Bro,
Just hold, 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 hold. Come back, come back, come back. That's all the window I have, bro. That's all the window I have.
Okay, okay. Do you have cooldown? So they have
Okay, just
actually.
stay over here
Halal,
and
are you
stabilize. Take a
listening?
breath.
Halal.
Yeah.
Who's playing guard rune? Who's playing guard rune?
गार्ड रूम नहीं मिल
Pick
रहा
up. Pick up. Who's
Night
playing
Armor
guard
is the
rune?
one stopping.
When
Come
Halal is
west, everybody
engaging,
come west,
put
come
guard
west.
rune on your
Listen, come
DPS,
west.
okay?
Everybody come west. Come west.
Put guard rune on your DPS so they don't get GA.
They're coming, they're coming. Yeah.
Come back.
And you need to
Okay.
fake Halal. Fake.
Why-
Fake with your E and use tentacle to engage. That's what they are doing. They are
Okay,
engaging
listen,
on
what?
tentacle.
Yo, we're gonna try this. Okay, come back south, come back south, come back south. Listen, we have to absorb once, and after that, I need guard runes on the choke. Okay, we have to walk in. I'm gonna fake, then we
One
gonna. engage.
offensive guard
Double
rune,
OC,
one
double OC,
defensive
double
FP.
OC. They're asking for double OC. Well,
Okay, double OC.
I mean, they have to double OC, not us. We still have time.
Doesn't
We
matter.
don't question. It's fine.
Just stay over here. Just stay over here. Keep coming southeast. Keep coming southeast, guys. Keep coming southeast.
they're coming. I guess.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, look.
They are
Keep
damaged,
coming
damaged,
southeast.
damaged,
Keep coming southeast.
damaged,
Fine. Keep
damaged.
coming south. Yo, come southeast, bro. Why are you going up? Yo, caller is
bro,
way back.
look
Come south.
south.
Come south. Just come south. Just come south. Just come south.
Arab hand
Find me,
shot.
find me, find me. Keep
Right,
coming
right,
south.
right.
Keep coming south. Keep coming south. Keep coming south and find me. Just stay over
They're
here.
not
Stay over
following
here.
you.
Stay over here.
They're not
We need-
following.
Yeah, I know. Okay, come up, not now. Bro, we need to bring them here, bro. We need to bring them here. Just stay
Not
over
go
here. Just
through
stay
the
over here. Stay over here. Bro, I'm getting tanks, but we are not killing the tanks. So we'll have to get their clothes somehow. Just stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here.
Just force them to come here. We cannot go anywhere.
Keep
They
coming
are
south.
not-
looking, huh?
Just don't go near the bridge
Okay.
then.
Yo, listen. Okay, listen. Let them engage, and all my tanks full dive and try to stop them. Okay. Keep coming south. Keep coming south. That's an engage. That's an engage. That's an engage.
That's
Okay, that's it.
They-
Okay,
they-
keep coming up.
they-
Get ready on the
they-
GA. In 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. 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 Now come back. Come back. Everybody come back.
Stop,
Everybody
stop,
come back,
stop.
Come back. It's fine. Come back. Come back. Just come back. Come back. Defenses get ready. They engage on the press. Heals on the bridge, bro. Heals on the
wow.
bridge. Come back. 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 Keep coming back. Try to help people come back. Try to help people come back. Get ready. Shallow on top of me in 5 seconds. Just over here. Keep coming southeast. 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 Try to catch a few tanks. Just stay southeast. Stay southeast. Stay southeast. Stay southeast. Stay southeast. Stay southeast. Yo, they're gonna look now. Just stay over here. They're gonna look. They're gonna engage. That's an engage. That's an engage. Get ready. Stand on top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top. Bro, just hold. Just spread away. Spread away. Spread away. Spread away. Look at the battle.
Giving debuff.
Yeah, just stay away. Just stay away. Just stay
We don't
away.
have a spike gauntlet.
We have plenty DPS, bro. Yeah, we have a spike. No, we don't have a spike. Just spread over. Yeah, we have a spike. Just stay away. Just stay away. Just stay away. Get ready. They're gonna look for.
Yeah, they're looking now.
Engaged?
That
No.
was fake.
No, they're looking now. They're
Come
looking
south,
now.
come south, 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 come south. I'm gonna fake, okay? I'm gonna fake. Don't engage with me, okay? Don't engage with me. I'm gonna fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. Now get ready. They're gonna try to engage now, okay? They're gonna try to engage now. Just watch out. Watch out. That's an engage. That's an engage. Defensive, defensive, defensive. Now walk in, walk in. Retags walk in. Everybody walk in. Everybody walk in. Everybody walk in. Everybody walk in. Keep walking in. Keep walking in. Keep walking in. Yo, keep walking in. Keep coming up. Keep coming up. You guys are not able to catch them. Keep coming up. Get ready. Just on the
They're
choke. On
dying.
top of me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top. Engage on top of me on the choke. Engage on top of me on the choke. More damage. More damage. More damage. More damage. More damage. Yo guys, come back, come back, come back, come back. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Yeah, almost dead. Keep coming back. That's what we have to do, bro. We have to delay the engage and we have to dive in. That's all we can do. Just stay over here. He'll C Magnum. Where's C Magnum? Try to find C Magnum. Keep coming back in. Okay, fine. Just stay. We're gonna play 5 more minutes, then we're gonna leave, bro. Even I don't have Giga now. Just stay over here. Just stay over here. I have 1 Giga actually. Stay over here. Stay over here and spread. 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 Just spread over here. Just spread over here. Just spread over here. We don't have a GA by the way. Okay. Just spread over here. You see their guard runes, bro. See their guard runes. They know that I can engage on them. That's why they.